Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. My name is Kelly and this is Nam.
Hello.
Today we are going to be replacing the bulbs, the headlights,
Yes.
on our Mercedes-Benz Sprinter.
So the chassis we have does not have the factory LED lights. To upgrade them, it's like a fortune, and there's a whole bunch of programming has to be done to the vehicle. So our best option is to replace it with LED bulbs.
Yeah.
So what we're gonna do is we're gonna go through a quick tutorial, show you guys how to do it, and we'll show you the before and afters.
Okay. Look how dull and dim the lights are. So it's really hard to drive at night. You can't really see.
That they're very yellow. And driving with these on at night, you can't see 10 feet in front of you. It's very dangerous.
It was scary.
Don't even know why Mercedes even place these on their vehicles. I mean, they're like a must fix if you get one of these vans, like the first fix. This is what we should have done a long time ago.
One night, when we were coming back from a fishing trip, it was so dark we couldn't see anything, so we actually flipped the light bar on to help us see a little bit, and oh my gosh, it was such a game changer. We really needed it. It helped us so much and we were able to see. So yeah.
And right here, if you look at the wall, you can see the color difference already. Compared to LED and bulbs, how bright they are and how dim the factory halogen bulbs are.
Yeah. All right, you wanna
Alright.
get started? All right, guys. So this is the LED lights that we bought off of Amazon.
Yeah. So I did a little research, and these bulbs range from like $20 the whole way to these $130.
The most expensive ones.
Let's see if what's that?
If it's worth it.
First off, if it's worth it, is more money doesn't mean better lights. So I don't know, maybe I fell for that trick.
Maybe.
I mean, these are like 3-4 times the price of all the other ones. So let's see if they work.
All right.
So these are for the the factory driving lights. They're H7s. So H7 is the actual bulb.
Okay.
You know, so if you order if you're looking for the bulb type for your Mercedes-Benz Sprinter, they're H7s for the driving lights. Okay. So you want to open it?
Yeah. Do you have a blade?
Right. So we'll show you what's in the box. What brand is this? Hikari.
Hikari. Hikari.
Is that Japanese?
I think so.
Okay.
Japanese stuff are good.
I mean, people were raving like these were like super bright and they're the best.
Okay, so this is the box, and this is what it looks like. It has a manual and the bulbs. It's a pretty color.
So it has the actual LED bulbs. How many watts are these? I'm not sure. I'm gonna have to look it up, but supposedly these are the brightest ones they have. And it comes with this little module, and it should be a plug and play. Also, they claim that it will not throw a code on your vehicle, because a lot of vehicles, if it detects like a different bulb, it's not the correct current, it warns you that your bulb's out. So they claim that these will not do it. So we got to test for that one also.
Okay.
Okay, you guys ready?
Let's
Follow us to the shop?
Yeah, let's
go.
Yeah,
So what we'll do is we're gonna go ahead and turn the headlights on. We will aim the headlights at like a wall or a sheet, or in this case here, we're gonna aim it right at our garage door. And all I'm gonna do is just mark a piece of tape, a line, so I know where the center of the light's at now. because once you install the bulbs, some of these are brighter, and the alignment of it could shift, and we just want to make sure we have it straight. Right. So once we do the installation, we'll just re-aim the lights back at the tape, so we won't be blinding oncoming traffic. Because once you put these LEDs in, they're super bright, and the last thing you want to be is that person that drives down a road and blinds everyone with oncoming traffic. Yeah. We don't want to be them people.
Yeah. Okay.
All right, so let's start. We'll get the headlights on in this van.
Okay, it is on.
It's on? So right here, the headlight is aimed right about here, if you guys can see. Both sides, that's the driver's side, so it's the left side. This side will be the right side. So all we're gonna do, real simple, I'm just gonna put this tape kind of at the center right there. And once we finish the installation, we're just gonna make sure that the new bulbs are aimed right in that spot. Good? Okay, first things first, open the hood. Guys, we just want to let you know, or just inform you, that this mod is for the vans that have the halogen headlamps. And the halogen headlamps are the ones that look like these, and they have like a little like reflector bulb in there. If you have the factory LED ones, which we'll post a picture, or we'll show you that, you know, up on top or something, then this mod doesn't pertain to you.
Hey guys, are you guys ready to get started? So this is where the headlights are, the bulbs, right in here. So this is just a rubber cap. All you have to do is just pop it off and put it aside. So can you see it? Straight ahead, right in here, this is where your bulb is. There's actually a type of latch on it, so all you have to do is just get in there, and this black thing, you see this black thing? Just connector, and just pull it out, just like that. And then now, just put it aside. So now that has exposed your bulbs. So either you can just grab it and pull it out, or if it's a little bit too hard, you can just grab pliers to help pull it out. Let me see. Yeah. Let's see.
You can grab it by the pin.
Yeah. And you guys can just grab it by the pin. Let's move that. Get in here. And just pull it right out.
Straight.
Oh. Well, just be careful. So now for the install, this is the bulb. So this has to be facing the top.
And you want the bulb like vertical.
So I'm just gonna push it in.
And you feel quick when you push it in.
Let me move this wire latch out of the way. Yeah, that's the top.
Right, did it lock in?
So now you grab the harness out, or the connector, and we'll just plug this one right in here. Just like that. And now with this, we'll just tuck it somewhere in there. And don't forget to put your rubber cap back on.
That will keep all the moisture in the water out.
Yeah. And there you have it. Okay guys, we're finished. I'll see you on the outside. So one side is complete. We're gonna test it now. So let's turn on the headlights. Let's see how I did, right? Ooh, look at that.
That's like night and day.
I know.
Left side, right side. Let me hit the lights in the shop and see how it looks.
That's a huge difference. It's so much brighter than the original. Oh, nice. I like it. You can drive now.
Wow. I can actually see now.
I know.
I'm impressed. Doesn't look like we have to aim this headlight. It's pretty much spot on.
Mm-hmm.
So nothing with alignment.
Yeah?
For now.
So we're good for now?
Okay, so we'll finish the other side and we will show you the results.
Yep. Hey guys, so this one, just look at the difference. Wow. So these are actually 6,000 K versus the original factory headlights. They're only
Probably 2,700 somewhere in there. Look how
2,700.
yellow
and so dull.
and dim that looks.
Yeah.
I can't wait to get the sound dropping.
Yeah. Wow. Is it $130 worth?
Yes.
You think so?
Yeah. I'm not sure. There are lower price ones for around $20 to $60. I'm sure they work well. I don't know. They claim these to be brighter than those, so I don't know. But brighter, bigger is better.
All right, so let's do the other one and we'll get back to you guys. Are you guys ready?
You guys ready?
Yep. Ooh. It looks really good. What do you think?
I think it looks good.
It looks pretty straight and right? You don't have to.
Yeah, I don't think we have to align it.
Yeah.
I am excited. Yeah, I'm happy with this one. Let me hit those lights.
You guys, this is a total lifesaver.
All right, so looks like there's not much to do on the alignment side. I mean, it's hitting that blue line like right on, it's centered. So I'm happy. Let's talk inside, see what it looks like from the inside.
Wow. You can see.
I can actually see now driving. Look, off, on.
Wow. It's pretty pimp, huh?
Yeah, this is worth it.
For the video.
Now we can actually take this drive it at night and take it off on some trails.
Yeah.
I feel a lot better because I can actually see now.
Yeah, we can definitely go like off the grid for sure.
Yeah, this should have been done from the factory.
Yeah. Yeah, but we really would recommend once you get your van, swap out the headlights, you know.
Yeah, it's like the first mod, and I'm sure the $40 bulbs, $50 bulbs would do a great job also.
Yeah.
Well, we'll see if these actually last. It's a 2-year warranty, I think.
Okay.
Let's see if they last.
So we'll touch up on that in the future, of course.
Okay, no errors on the dash for the lights, so I think we're...
Alright guys, that is all for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed our little installation tutorial. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel, like this video, and we'll see you next time. Bye!
Bye.